I'm going to show you a new way of generating leads online. And I promise you, once you see it, you cannot unsee it. You will never, ever want to go back to the old ways of generating leads online. This process is fully powered by Maestro technology from start to finish. And I want to show you how. The process starts on a website. Check it out. A beautiful website that I've put together specifically for this demo. Don't borrow anything until you speak to us first. And here we go. That's my beautiful face. Gorgeous. By the way, this is a video I've recorded the other day. So if you want to see it, if you want to watch it, you can find it in my profile. I also post it on YouTube. And this is the REST website. The point is, no one wants to click buttons. People don't want to click CTA buttons because when they click CTA buttons, they think they commit. And people don't want to commit to anything. They want everything to happen for them automatically, given to them, without them doing nothing. We have a solution for that. Chatbot. Chatbot sits in the bottom right corner. And one of the options is to get a pre-approval. It's not a commitment. It's very simple. They just want to get pre-approved. They want to see if they qualified or not, and we're going to give it to them. What's your first name? My name. Are you looking to buy a new home or refinance existing property? I want to buy a new home. By the way, this conversation is fully customizable. It's very simple. How exciting. I wanted, how soon are you looking to buy? As soon as possible. Are you a first home buyer? Yes, I am. Have you already found the perfect home? Yes, I have. I do have 5% deposit. No worries. I want to borrow $1 million. I am full-time employed. I have excellent credit history. And my household income, $200,000, that's enough. No kids. My surname is that. It's a very simple process. We're not asking many questions, but at the same time, we're asking enough for us to qualify a client. And that's my phone number. At this point, chat conversation is done, but now the magic happens. Client will receive SMS autoresponder that will engage them in a conversation. Let me show you what that SMS looks like. So I've just received SMS, and I'm going to bring it to this window. All right. As you can see, it's a brand new SMS. It's 10:29 p.m. right now, and SMS was received today at 10:28, so a minute ago. And it says, "Hi, Dmitry, this is Demo Mortgage Credit Team. Thank you for providing your information. We are reviewing your inquiry and will be in touch shortly. In the meantime, please feel free to ask any questions at any time by replying to this text." How cool is that? Of course, they have questions. They want to continue conversation because they're curious, and they need to know more. Everyone has different questions. In this case, probably he might say, "I've heard about LMI. What is it?" In a few seconds, they will get a reply. And the reply will come not from your team. The reply will come from your AI assistant that works for you 24/7. Your AI assistant knows everything about mortgages, knows everything about loans, knows everything about your business, and you can train him with your company data. Lender mortgage insurance protects the lender if you default on your home loan. Blah, blah, blah. So it will provide enough information for people to know what they need to know. So the next question could be, okay, if I want to borrow 600,000, how much do I need to pay in LMI fees? In a second, they will receive a reply and they will continue the conversation. Now, this conversation, of course, it's asynchronous. It's done via SMS. They don't have to wait for reply to arrive. They can put their phone in their pocket, and when replies come back, they will receive a notification and they will read that the LMI cost for borrowing 600,000 can range from 1% to 4% of a loan amount, depending on your deposit and LVR. So they can continue conversation, they can ask questions. In the meantime, your team will receive a notification that there is a new lead, and here's a lead. It appears in Maestro dashboard. This is my pipeline, and this is how I set it up. Obviously, in your case, you can configure it any way you like. It's a full-featured CRM system with focus on automation and AI. So this is a lead that we've just received, and the appropriate person, support person, will receive a notification. They will click on the lead, and they can read everything about this guy. So this is a chatbot transcript. And here on the right, I can see a comment or a note that this person wants to borrow $1 million with excellent credit rating, credit history. And I can also click a lead information form, and I can read pretty much everything that's been collected so far. So that will give me enough information to either qualify this person or say he's not qualified. And if he's not qualified, we can put him in a separate email sequence and SMS sequence, and we can probably reach out again in 6 months and see if they qualified. But in this case, this person is qualified, and we're going to change lead status to qualified. Now, at this point of time, as you can see, the new task is created, follow up with the client, and magic happens. The client will receive SMS automatically, notifying them that they are qualified and advising of the next steps. Of course, your team don't have to do anything else. The system will take over. So let's have a look at the SMS. This is the SMS that we've just received. Good news, Dmitry. After reviewing your details, we are pleased to inform you that you qualify for a home loan. Let's schedule an appointment to go through your options. Okay, but first, can I borrow with 5% deposit? So the prospect can continue asking questions and continue getting enough information to be comfortable to book a meeting and take the whole process to the next level. The idea is to warm them up, provide them with enough information and enough confidence so they can book a meeting with you. And once they book a meeting, they already know that you can help them and they trust you. Comparing to other businesses where, they don't know who they book a meeting with, they don't know whether that company can help them or not. And quite frankly, they don't know how long will it take for them to get back to them. Whether in our case, it's instant. Yes, you can borrow with 5% deposit, but you need to pay lender mortgage insurance, which can be quite expensive. Okay, plus you'll need funds for stamp duty and legal fees. Okay, I understand. Let's book an appointment, a meeting. So when they're ready, they will say, okay, let's book a meeting. And the chatbot or your AI assistant will take them through the process of booking a meeting. Great. Let's book that meeting. Please follow the link to schedule it here. Looking forward to it. Boom. The client will click on a link. Let me just close these windows. We don't need that. And here's my calendar. So I can click on a meeting. I can click next. We use Calendly. Calendly is tightly integrated into Maestro ecosystem and Maestro process, we have just improved Calendly integration even further. So if you use Calendly, why not? If you don't, you can use any other scheduling system. Okay, I'm going to schedule event. An event is scheduled. You are scheduled. Calendar invitation has been sent to your email address. Of course, this is my Calendly. This is my event. And if you book meeting with me, this is what you will see. But in your case, it's going to be your Calendly event, and obviously the message will be yours. Now, the meeting is booked. The client has received email confirmation that the meeting is booked. However, if I click on messages, now we've got another message. Thank you. If you want your loan approved faster, please click on the link to verify your details and proof of income. So we give them opportunity to provide more information to speed up the entire process. And why not? They already know about you. They already had a conversation with you. They trust you. They know that you can answer all of their questions. They warmed up to your business and they're ready to transact. They just booked a meeting. Of course, they will click here and we'll take them to the application process. Application experience powered by Maestro, of course. It's fully white labeled. It sits on your domain. And as far as client concerned, they don't know what Maestro is. They don't know Maestro. They don't want to know Maestro. All they know, they're dealing directly with you. They're dealing directly with your business. And it creates a lot of trust. Okay, we're going to authenticate them with their phone number. We're going to send them a PIN. And they will go through the process. The process, as you guys know, is fully automated. We're going to take the client from nothing to fully qualified leads with all data collected, with fact find completed, with documents collected, and any compliance documents such as credit guide or privacy statement will be populated with client information signed on autopilot. And all data will come back to you in Maestro dashboard. So you end up with pre-qualified client, with appointment booked, and all information collected in one go. So let me go back to my data collection status, and here we go. Here's a deal that we are going through, and this person will be guided through the process and will collect pretty much all the information on autopilot. This is, my friends, how you should generate leads. This system will allow you to generate leads on scale on your website. So someone goes to your website, they chat to your bot. You don't have to have a bot if you don't want to. You can continue using your forms, which is fine. Most website providers will allow you to send information to third-party systems such as Maestro. So you can connect Maestro to your forms and get Maestro to talk to your customers, to engage them, to provide them with useful, meaningful information, to qualify them and to collect their information and book meetings. So it's a win-win situation for everyone. And this is the proper way of generating business online. Not just generating new business, but qualifying leads, providing outstanding customer experience and customer service, engaging client every step of the way, and eventually booking appointments and collecting their information, such as fact find documents and any compliance documents that needs to be signed. It has to be automated. We have to invest in automation technology to be and stay relevant. Technology advancing very rapidly, very aggressively, and sometimes it's not even possible to keep up with them. It sounds crazy. It sounds so difficult. That's why we exist. That's why we build this technology for you, so you can use it for your advantage, to grow your business, to provide outstanding customer experience, and to be in front of your industry. So thank you very much, and I'll talk to you soon.